The 1966 Citroen DS Décapotable is a rare and exquisite drop-top variant of the iconic Citroen DS, as one of only 4 DSS in the renowned Studio 434 collection. This car boasts a rich history and exceptional provenance. Built by the esteemed French coach builder Henri Chapron in 1966, this Décapotable is one of the last convertible DSS to be supplied to the UK and one of only a handful to be built with right-hand drive. With only 5 examples of the right-hand drive Décapotable thought to exist, this car is a true collector's item. Its sleek and elegant design, penned by the legendary Italian designer Flaminio Bertolucci, is perfectly complemented by the convertible top, which adds an extra layer of sophistication and glamour to the car's already stunning appearance. The DS Décapotable's advanced hydraulic suspension system, which was a pioneering innovation at the time of its release, provides a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride, making it a joy to drive on both short and long journeys. The car's 2.1-liter inline-4 engine, meanwhile, delivers a respectable 109 horsepower and 120 pounds-ft of torque, providing ample power for cruising and touring. As a rare and highly sought-after classic car, the 1966 Citroen DS Décapotable is a true treasure for any car enthusiast. Its unique combination of sophistication and advanced engineering make it a standout among its peers, and its rarity and exclusivity only add to its allure. Whether you're a seasoned classic car collector or simply a lover of beautiful and historic vehicles, the DS Décapotable is sure to captivate and inspire.